Y'all wanted some budget white sneakers, so I hear you, and I have bought 5 white sneakers from Puma under 3000 rupees. These are beautiful, these are bangers, and you can definitely get any of these. So let's go. What is up, people? This is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I'm excited for the first sneaker on this list because I'm a fan of this particular silhouette from Puma. So without wasting any of the time, let me unbox it. So this is Puma Caven 2.0, a all-white leather upper sneaker with just a little bit of black on the Puma side stripe. A very clean, very minimal, very simple silhouette, and I personally love the silhouette because it has the correct amount of chunkiness. It is not huge, bulky, it is not very sleek. It has the right amount of chunkiness to it, and that is the reason I love it. This is a beautiful sneaker, and I personally feel this can be a great sneaker for your wardrobe if you are a student or a office going person. This fits true to size, has decent comfort, and will cost you 2906 rupees. That is again under 3000 rupees, and a beautiful price for this. Now we move towards the next sneaker on this list, and let's unbox it. This is Puma R78 Trek, a beautiful white leather sneaker from Puma with a lot of different textures and paneling all over it. For some reason, this sneaker reminds me of the Air Max 1, Nike Air Max 1. For some reason it does. I don't know if y'all see the similarities between them, but I do. So yes, this is a very comfortable sneaker, like really comfortable. I really liked it. I like the comfort on it. Second thing, I like the way it looks. Third thing is it is a very clean white upper sneaker. It has some textures to it, and that gives a character to the sneaker, because sometimes very plain white sneakers does not look great, in my opinion. Sometimes that too. So yes, a very good value for money sneaker for you guys, which will just cost you 2744 rupees. Great price. Now the most budget friendly Puma sneaker ever. Not the sports shoes or something like that, like the other models, but this one, the most budget friendly model. Let's go. So this is Puma Smash, a very minimal, clean, simple, plain white leather upper sneaker which does not have any kind of details, any kind of panels, any sort of textures to it. A very simple Puma sneaker which will only serve one purpose, that is serving a purpose of a white sneaker. Like if you just need a simple white sneaker, this is the only one you need to have, because this is just for 1799 rupees. Decent comfort, do not expect a lot of comfort. Durability will last you for a bit of time, like it won't last for 2 years or something like that. If you use it occasionally, then it might go up to 3 years as well. That is what I feel. Fits true to size, and yes, you do not have anything extraordinary on it. It is very plain, simple, clean, very minimal. That's it. You do not expect anything more from this because it is just for 1800 rupees. Like, whew, I loved this pair. Now we move to the next sneaker, and here we go. This is Puma CodeShattered Low, a low top white leather sneaker from Puma which has synthetic tumbled leather all over it, and that looks great. It is a very interesting pair. It has some gold details on the tongue, on the back heel, and yes, a beautiful, clean, simple sneaker which has a good, decent, chunky midsole, which has a rugged upper over it. So yes, a very decent sneaker, a white sneaker. Normally plain, clean white sneakers do not have much of details to it, and that is what I like. So yes, a very simple white sneaker, decent comfort, decent durability, and will definitely fit true to size, and will only cost you 2429 rupees. So yes, a great price for this pair. Okay, now we have a big boy here, because you see the big box, and let's unbox. So this is Puma CodeShattered Mid, the big brother of CodeShattered Low. I just love this high top pair from Puma. It is very clean, very classic looking white leather upper sneaker. I totally love this little detail of a strap here, which looks amazing. I just felt it, and I just like this strap for some reason, and that looks great. I don't know what you guys think about it, but I feel this looks great. And most important thing, if you guys have never tried a pair of high top sneakers, you should definitely do at least once. I know some people don't like it, some people like it, but if you don't like it, at least try it once. You will definitely like it, in my opinion. Decent comfort, fit true to size, but there is a small difference in the price. So the sneaker will cost you 3100 rupees. It is 100 rupees more than the 3000 rupees mark. But yes, in my opinion, I believe you can adjust that 100 rupees if you want something like this. If you don't, you have other 4 options. So yes, I have got all the sneakers from Amazon Prime Day sale. It is live right now. It is live from 12th to 14th of July, and you can get up to 50 to 80% off. That is some crazy discounts. So yes, if you want to check it out right now in the description. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.